All right, guys, I'm over at my son and my daughter-in-law's trailer, and I just saw what they just got. Let me show this. This is an awesome RV tool because 3-in-1. Now let me show you what the 3-in-1 is. You just see the whisk right here, but you also have this immersion blender that you can take off and put on, and now it's an immersion blender, so you think like protein shakes, smoothies, anything like that, and you got it and you're good to go. Now to turn it on, you have to press and hold, make sure that's green, and then this is a variable speed switch, which is pretty sweet. So the lighter you press, the slower that goes, and then if you press, you see how it's slow, and then it's going to speed up, right? And then if you don't want that, you have this one right here where you can put the whisk attachment in like you just saw, or this frother if you need to mix up just a quick chocolate milk, protein, cappuccino, whatever you're doing with the frother. And you can see it right here. Now this does time out pretty quickly, so you want to press it and then you're good to go. You see that just a little slow, and then we can speed that up, and then full speed is right there. So isn't that cool? So it's a 3-in-1 tool. Now for me, being a full-time RVer, my son and daughter-in-law are just getting into the lifestyle. They're quickly understanding that in a trailer, you live in such a small space that you really do need one tool that does multiple things. And that's what this guy does right here. So you're going to have a whisk, a frother, and an immersion blender all in one tool. And I'm probably not going to do this very much because just by doing it that much, I probably ruined it already. I'm sorry. I am not the baker. I am not the cooker. I'm the barbecue guy. So don't put me in the kitchen with this guy. But I was just like, oh my gosh, how cool is this? A whisk, a frother, immersion blender. Oh, there's more. I forgot. This does charge with a USB-C right on the back of here, and they do give you something that's kind of cool. This is going to charge pretty quickly with 45 watts and being USB-C, and then they give you another slot. So if you want to just use this charger for charging other devices as well, you can certainly do that. At the end of the day, a good kitchen tool doesn't need to make the recipe complicated. It should simply make the work just a little bit easier. This whisk right here made the job a lot easier, made it all together and clump free. And I'm going to show you guys that with these muffins that my daughter-in-law made, which look and smell amazing. If you guys had smell-o-vision, you'd love the smell of these. But the whisk, you should have no clumpiness. And look at that, no clumps whatsoever in there. In my mind, way better than I could ever do. Now, the final is the taste test. All right. If a whisk can make this taste this good, then you definitely just leveled up your kitchen game for sure.